In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the dies on the 714 die head. But before I do that, I want to explain to you a couple of things about this die head and how it works. This is called a receding die head. What happens is, by way of mechanical process on the die head and on the machine itself, what happens is the dies actually back themselves off of the pipe to create the taper on the thread. Here you have a receding die, and here you have an older die that we used to have on a 415 die head. You could imagine the amount of force that needs to be created to do a thread with a full width die like that. So what they did was they made a receding die, which reduces the amount of friction that's applied to the pipe. So your dies last a little longer, your machine works a lot less harder, and it's a lot simpler to use. On the side here we have an insert to here line, okay, as opposed to the other ones that have it on the top. So as always, we'll put our safety equipment on, our safety glasses, okay, and the first thing that you're going to do is loosen the locking nut. And you have a washer here, and the washer has a foot or a tab on it. So you have to back this nut out enough to move that tab out of the way, okay? And usually I'll just hand tighten this just to make sure it doesn't move, okay? Your die head is numbered, so you have 1 through 4 there. So you grab the corresponding die with your notch facing up. That way it coincides with the cam plate, and you will slide this in to the line. And you'll do the same thing for all the other pockets and dies. Once you have all of your dies installed, you can back out the locking nut again and make sure that everything's in place if you haven't moved it, and check to make sure that everything is aligned. And there you go, it'll fall right in place. Okay, now what you're going to do is, once you have everything, for example, the foot on the washer is back in the slot, you have a mark up here. Okay, simply move your cam plate to the size that you're going to thread. Okay, so in this case we're going to do 4-inch, so we'll line that up with 4-inch, and at this point tighten up your locking nut, and now you're ready to thread.